More and more people are using D-Link Cloud cameras to keep an eye on their home, kids and pets. It gives you the freedom to create a bespoke home monitoring network to fit all your needs. Now we've created an even easier way to get your cameras up and running with D-Link's zero configuration technology. Just press the button on your D-Link Cloud camera and D-Link Cloud router, and your camera will not only automatically connect to your secure home network, it will also be automatically configured with all of the correct settings. Zero configuration intelligently sets up your wireless network settings so you can go wireless anytime you want without any extra hassle. By using My D-Link Cloud services, you can view your cameras anytime, anywhere, on your iPhone, iPad or Android devices at the touch of a button. D-Link's zero configuration technology offers fast, simple and one-touch camera setup, making easy even easier. Available today on D-Link's family of cloud products.